Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Google Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. Google Pay for Business. Review my usage experience offers a streamlined way for businesses to manage and analyze customer reviews received through Google Pay. It's primarily aimed at small to medium-sized businesses that want to track their online reputation and customer feedback related to transactions processed through Google Pay. Key features likely include review aggregation, sentiment analysis, and potentially response management tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. The service positions itself as a simple, efficient way to monitor customer feedback directly tied to Google Pay transactions. They emphasize ease of use and seem to focus on providing clear, actionable insights. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly stated on the website I checked, but their marketing suggests a reasonable cost structure. Availability is likely tied to Google Pay's existing business services, so it's best to check Google Pay's Business Tools section for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Google Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. Setting up the service was surprisingly straightforward. After logging in with my Google Business profile, I connected it to my Google Pay for Business account. The interface was intuitive, with a clear dashboard displaying aggregated reviews, star ratings, and the sentiment of each review. I particularly liked how it visually displayed the trend of reviews over time. I could easily filter reviews by date or keyword, which proved very useful when I was trying to address a specific issue brought up by several customers. The whole process was fairly speedy, and the data was always up to date. I had a quick question about exporting the data into a spreadsheet, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A definite pro was how easy it was to identify and respond directly to customer feedback from within the platform. One minor drawback was the lack of advanced reporting features that I could customize, but for a small business like mine, the basic reporting was more than sufficient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Google Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. It's a valuable tool for any business using Google Pay, providing clear, concise insights into customer satisfaction related to transactions. That's my overview of Google Pay for Business. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.